Hello, I'm back from drinking water. Why is everything so laggy, bro?
Can I take a picture of you?
Yeah, sure. Wait. Let me see.
It's not really that good.
Why is only my hands showing? So today we're gonna be hacking the game. Alright, get over here.
Mirror selfie! Oh
He
shit.
doesn't know. He does not.
I definitely do now.
No, you don't. You don't know.
Say I don't know!
Yeah! Look at this. Look at this. Wait, bro, I just found the perfect trap for an army. Look.
Wait, what are we doing again in here?
We're hacking the game, remember?
Oh yeah.
Look, I found the perfect military trick. Oh, hell no.
How are we supposed to hack the game?
So first, we need a missile ammo. A missile ammo. We need a rocket launcher ammo. Give me rocket launcher ammo. Give me rocket launcher ammo. Give me
I don't have
ammo,
any.
bro. Give me ammo. Just
I don't
swipe
have
the
rocket
card.
launcher ammo.
Swipe the card.
I don't have any rocket launcher ammo.
Okay. Okay, then, okay, get over here then. Get over here. Do you have any?
And what am I supposed to do with it?
Get in here. No, you aren't supposed to do anything with that. Wait, actually,
Hey,
no,
that's mine.
don't get in there. Don't get in there. Stupid. Okay. I said do not get in here. What are you doing? What the? Where did he go?
She got that boom 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 boom.
Okay, don't go in there. Look, so get a tele grenade.
What should I do with this cheese?
No, you aren't supposed to do anything with the cheese. I gave it to you on accident. No, don't eat it. Here, take this. Okay, yeah, take that. Don't eat it like that. I did. I just did that. Okay, look. Get over here. Get over here. You are only supposed to take one though, but it's whatever. 2 is good. No, you aren't supposed to throw us. Oh my god. Okay, look. So activate it. Put it on the ground. Put it on the ground and activate. Go in here quick before it activates. Bro, you didn't do it correctly, bro. You're supposed to go in quickly. Where did he go? Did you do it?
No.
Okay, get a tele grenade. I'll give you one. Bro, why is my screen so laggy, bro? I'm getting Get one. Here. Okay, yeah, never mind. You can get one. Grab one too. Okay, yeah, get 2 of them for 2 tries.
Oh, I already wasted one.
Yeah, it's whatever.
Okay.
Okay, look. Activate it, put it on the ground, and go in there too quickly.
Yeah?
Look, I see a clone of you right here. I see another one of you.
Wait, can you do it? Can you do it?
Yeah, sure. Oh wait, you aren't supposed to do
We're
it like
both
that.
thinkers.
You did it wrong, but you still have a clone though. Look, you are supposed to hold it down like this, and then you like this, and then you're supposed to activate it like this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
Whoopsies!
You're
Whoopsies.
flying! You just went flying.
Hold on, whoopsies! I accidentally activated the tele grenade inside the Meta Horizon place. I'm getting stuck. Get out of here! Get out here! Get out of here! Get out of here! Guys, he doesn't even know, bro, that he's in a video. he's in a video without my consent. I'm recording him without his consent. Okay, look, I'm supposed to do it like this. Look. There we go. Teleportation device. Hello.
You just went flying.
Exactly. That's the point.
There's no clone.
Yes, there is.
There's not for me.
Okay. What quest do you have?
Quest 3S.
I have the quest 3. Wait, I gotta go over here. Don't come over here. I don't got the quest 3. I said get over it. Just stay there. I don't have the quest 3, but I'm recording without consent. Okay, I'm back. Hello.
Yeah, you have not got the quest 3. I heard it all.
I never said anything. Why'd you? I told you to stay over there. I do have the quest in for real. Stop, bro. I'm trying to use this one.
You definitely don't.
I do.
Don't.
Okay, look. Look, get over here. Lexa, stop. Take this, cause why not? Where are you? Where are you? Here. Take this, cause why not? Yeah, take it.
Yeah? What should I do?
That. I don't know. Just take it. And take this. Oh wait, not wrong thing, bro. Take both of them and put this in your hip slot. Okay.
Yeah?
Then there's stuff flying over there. I'll meet you up there. I went too far. Sorry. Wait, my other one is right here. Okay, look. Grapple into there. Into the smallest crack of existence. And then, no! Planetarium! But where am I?
I could just get on you now.
What did you say? I couldn't hear you.
Just come back. Wait, I have to have some medics in a sec. I'll be...
What did he say? He got to do some medics? He'll be back though, that's okay. I'm just going to the planetarium because I want to be huge, massive. I want to low taper fade. Never gonna give you. I forgot to bring hookshot. What's wrong with me? Put your hands in the air like you. I just wasted some health. What the frula la la? What the fruly frula? What in the fruly frula? Blah 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 blah. Never gonna. Hold on, I'm gonna drink some water now. Why is my screen lagging for you guys? Because it is heavily for me. That tastes good. Excuse me. I feel good. I gotta bring a hookshot. Hold on. I brought a hookshot and I need a pickaxe too. I could just bring the crowbar blade. I put the crowbar on my back. Yes, I can. So it's on my back. It's on my back. And I'm gonna get two.
Hello, I'm back.
Fireworks. Hold on, Bo. Okay, I'm coming back now. Wait. I told you to wait. Actually, I'm gonna do something real quick. Make sure I don't yeet my controller across the room. Excuse me, hello.
Hello. I'm back.
Okay, look, I'm gonna teach you how to do this. So basically, you wanna go in here, right? Use your grapple hook and grapple into that like small crack.
Okay.
Are you in? Don't do what I just did. Don't go too high. You gotta do it nice and slowly, okay? Nice and patiently. You gotta, I think you
Okay, I'm in.
wait, let me get in. Okay, look. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna activate one of these, wait until it runs out, and then use the other one, and then you go to those lines, okay? Go to those lines.
I don't think it will work.
It will work.
I don't have one of them.
Have one of what?
Should I use these?
Sure. Just go. If you die, I'll buy you new ones. Okay, so just first of all, we gotta leap.
Oh!
Oh! Don't do what I just did. Don't let go of what you're holding. No, I'm just lonely. Oh my God! Armstrong just jump scared me. Oh hell no, bro. Armstrong just jump scared me. Oh my God. Armstrong just jump scared me. Bro, how am I already at 600k, bro? Here. Hip slot. Who's the good? No. Where are you? Are you dead? Are you dead yet?
No.
Where are you?
At the lines! In the thing!
Okay, away from me, bro. I'm gonna get a couple of rockets. Oh, British people. Not trying to be racist or anything, just saying. Almost. Oopsie. Oopsie. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
I'm in where the broccoli is now.
Okay, wait for me. Leap of faith.
Okay.
Bang. Oopsies. I did not make it.
Oh.
I'm at the anglerfish. Oh, heck no. I do not get paid enough to do this, bro. Not yet, I'm still alive. I'm getting tortured by his noises. Bro, where is the planetarium? At this point, might as well die. I'd rather die from the fire instead of you, bro. Get out. Okay, I'm dying.
Back, so summon it for me, please.
I died.
Yeah.
Okay, can you get a to eat 2 small broccolis? Use your hook shot to go to the broccoli and then go to the other way. Inside the hole. Inside the hole.
Well, I can't hear you.
That will make you massive. What? Use the hook shot.
I've eaten 2 small broccoli.
Okay, go to the green planet with your hook shot, and then go to the hole.
I've just made it out.
Hello.
Very big.
Okay, I'm gonna go back in. Bye bye. I don't know why I told you to do that. Are you lonely? I am lonely. Why am I so lonely?
I made it out very big.
That's the point. Hello, are you here? Oh, hello.
Hello.
Wait, can I have some? I need some. I need. Thank you. Give away. Give away. Give away.
What would you? Did you just want broccoli?
No, I did. Not that, just not that. I also wanted to show you a hack. That was the hack, a big size hack. If you go through there and go into the hole, you get super big. Oh, I'm glitched.
Yeah, I know that. I already did it.
Oh,
I did that. I know.
then I'll show you another glitch.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you another glitch. I just want to go to up here to the crane. Bro, these strings are holding this crane, bro. Oh, hell no. Yes, I'm on the crane. By the time I shrink down.
For some reason, I never thought of going up there.
Why?
I don't know.
I'm King Kong, bro. I can't. Bro, do you see these hairs? Do you see these hairs grabbing me, bro?
I know, I'm doing on it. No!
Nah, bro.
Okay, I did that.
I did it too, bro. But I overshot it a little bit. Oh, I fell down. Please don't kill
I'm
me.
gonna try to get a small.
I'm dead. I'm as small as a caterpillar. How do I escape this gravitational pull of the tree, bro? I'm just gonna... Oh, hell no. Heck no! Are you dead yet?
No.
Okay, die. I'm gonna show him another glitch. Here, put it. I'm gonna wait for him here.
Did you say to die?
Yes, die. Stand on a landmine or something like that. I'm just gonna... What the skadoodle? Bro, what the skadoodle, bro? I was barely dead, bro. Like, I swear. Wait, hold on, I have an idea. The biggest idea just popped up inside my brain. Yes, yes, yes! Before I can
I died.
explode, I can hit her. Okay, here,
I died.
take this. Take this. Do you know this glitch?
No.
Okay, activate it. And keep pushing.
Oh yeah, that thing where you go in the ground.
Bro.
Yep.
Okay, cat over here. There's another glitch I want to show you.
Quickly, my VR's at 2%.
Okay, look, get one of these. And, do
Oh yeah, I'm giving there, but I know that.
You want to know another glitch?
Yeah.
Hello, are you in?
No.
Bro, does this look cool? Hello.
Not really.
Bro, get another one? Get only one, though.
Yeah, I know that one. I know that one. I know that one in there as well.
Bro, why do you know all of them?
I don't know. Wait, do you know this? Come out.
No.
Do you know this?
What?
Wait. I don't even know. I just made it up. Wait.
If you don't know either, can you give me that? Can you give me the other one, please? Is it a real glitch?
Yeah.
It's a real glitch? Oh my god. It's a real glitch!
Yeah.
No, it isn't, bro. Bro.
It is.
No, it isn't. I didn't glitch through.
It is.
I didn't glitch through.
I did it.
Mm.
I'm gonna try getting this fool here.
I want to get in, bro. Okay.
Glitch. I made it up.
Bro, how are you inside that tree?
I don't know. I'm gonna try.
Ah! Wait, I want to see if I'm
getting inside this tree.
How?
I'm inside the tree. I need a shit now. I need a shit now, and I think my Oculus is gonna die.
Bro, I just smacked the glass plate with this, bro. My parents are gonna be so mad.
I need a shit now, and I think my Oculus is gonna die.
My parents
I'm gonna record it dying.
My parents are gonna cry.
Oh, shit.
My parents are gonna cry, bro.
No!
My parents are gonna cry. Oh, well, bye. Bro, I just smacked the glass plate on the ground. Hold on, bro. He didn't know he was on the video. And that we end for the video. Thank you for watching.